Rename files. The first step is selecting the folders where you want to rename the files, whether it's a single folder or multiple folders from different locations. Once selected, all the files inside will be displayed. If you only want to focus on specific file types, here's where you can choose which extensions to show. And if you want to see everything, just leave it to show all files. Sometimes you might want to filter files by a specific keyword in their names to make things easier. From here, you can pick the files you want to rename or delete, or simply select all or clear all with one click. Need to add something to the start or end of the file names? You can either apply the prefix and suffix to all files at once, or only to the files that contain a specific keyword in their names. Just type your prefix or suffix, hit apply, and the preview window will show you the changes. If you like how it looks, click Apply Rename, and the files will be renamed on your PC. This section lets you search for any word in the file names and either replace it with another word or remove it entirely. One of the most useful features here is the ability to export a complete list of all your files, even with different extensions. With a single click on Export, you'll get an Excel file. The first sheet shows a summary of how many files you have for each extension, like 8 files.xlsx, 2 files.pptx, 6 files.pdf, etc., along with the total number. The second sheet contains all the details: file name, extension, path, and the last modified date. And that wraps up the first tab, Rename Files.